In this video, I'm going to show you how to split tabs in Opera browser. It's actually quite simple. First, go up here to search and type in Opera and then // flags, okay? Now, what you want to do is just open this up, and in here, you want to look for split. So where it says search flags, you want to type split. There we go, and you'll see Opera Split Screen, which enables split screen from two selected tabs. What you want to do is go over here where it says default, click on it and press enabled. What you then want to do is press relaunch, bottom right, and click quit Opera. This will restart Opera, and now if I were to enable this, as you can see, I can hold down a tab. So I've got Google and YouTube over here. I can simply hold down a tab and simply just move it around, and as you can see, when I move it here, it says here's where you draw a line, drop a tab here to split the screen. If I then release this, as you can see, I now have a split screen. YouTube over here on the right and Google on the left, and you can start using both as you wish at the same time. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.